please press the like and subscribe video.
Today we are going to make a special shirt and a tie that looks like this. So this Sunday is Father's Day, and I think it would be a great opportunity for you to just share your appreciation towards your dad, or it could be your grandfather or uncle, whoever your loved one would be. But today I just wanted to share how to make this really cute shirt and a tie. So this can be decorated on top of the card. You're welcome to use any color paper. Just fold it in half. You can write a message inside, and this can go on top as a little decoration. Yeah, and then yeah, there you go. So this can be a nice card. I'll show you over here. The tie can be taken off, this part and this part. Okay, so I'll show you how to paper fold those two. So all you need is square size paper. Doesn't matter what size you have, this one and the smaller size. So if you have two of the square paper, you can cut this in 4 sections, and this smaller part can be used as a tie, and then the bigger section can be used as a shirt. I'm going to show you how to make a shirt first. Okay, so I would fold this paper in half. And make sure it's a strong crease, and I would cut this in half. So with the scissors, just cut this in half, and then what we're going to do is we're going to fold it, fold this in half again in a long hot dog fold. Make sure it has a strong crease, and then along this middle line we're going to fold again. Okay, and then along this line, fold again. And you're going to take one end, and you're going to, along this middle line, you're going to fold this into a triangular shape. Okay, just like this. And then fold again, the other side, into a triangular shape. Okay. Alright, the next part is you're going to take the long side, and then you're going to fold it down. Okay, along this middle line here. Okay, again, and then make a strong crease, very sharp crease, and then take the other side, fold it along this bottom of the triangular shape. So go like that. I mean, if you're not sure, you can always rewind or pause the video, okay, and watch it again. Alright, now you have this X shape, and you're going to open the triangular part that you just folded. And do you see this Y shape over here, this and this? You're going to open it up like that, along this Y shape, and then fold the top part. So as soon as you put your finger, okay, to hold this down, and you're going to fold this down to make into a 1, 2, 3, 4-sided trapezoid. Do you remember what trapezoid is? One pair of parallel sides, right? Okay. Now you're going to flip this over. Now we're going to work on this part, okay? So you're going to fold this about 1/2 centimeter, okay? And then you're going to open it, okay? Okay, so now you have like a small line goes through on top. You're going to fold it outwards, okay? You're going to close the door again, okay? And then you're going to fold it back, okay? And flip it over. And then you're going to make do you see the middle line over here? So there's a middle line in the middle. And then from the left hand side, just try to make a little mark on the middle, on the right as well, okay? And then you're going to fold it, okay, out like this, okay, out. So there's a little color part, okay? And then again, along the mark that you just made, you're going to fold it down, just like this, okay? And then you will see the color of the shirt, and then you're going to fold the bottom back up. Do you see that? The bottom back up, and then you're going to tuck it under the color. Do you see that? Tuck it under. So you don't really need any glue to do this. Okay, ta-da! So there's a shirt. So if you want to leave it at that, you can use this. Okay, this as part of the card if you would like. Now, so I'm going to show you how to make the tie this time. So you're going to fold this in half. Okay. So I'm basically using the half of the small square paper, and then I'm going to do the same thing. You fold this in half, flip it over, fold this along the middle line, and then you're going to fold the edge down just like how you paper folded the shirt. Okay, again, it's very tiny, so be very, very careful. Alright, so once you're done folding the edge of the triangle, that's going to become the end of the tie. I'm going to cut the top because when I tried it, it actually looked better and the tie was too long, so I actually decided to cut the top part. And then you're going to fold it down about 1/2 centimeter long, and then you're going to fold it up again just a little bit like that. Okay, and then from here you are going to make a middle line. I'll just show you. Okay, middle line, middle of the paper. You're going to make this into a diagonal shape. So you can do that with your finger because you're gonna actually fold it down until you hit this edge of the triangle. Or if you want to have really accurate one, you're going to use edge of this like thick cards or ruler. You're going to use that, and then you're going to basically fold from here to the end of the triangle like that, this line. Okay, so it's gonna go like this. Put this in between and fold it in. Okay, so this is almost a tie. Now from here, do you see this? You're gonna open up this little edge because you want to make it into a little Y shape. So you're going to use your finger to make this into more wider shape on top so that it can be tucked in under the collar, okay, of the shirt. There you go, just like that. If you flip it over, it is this Y shape. So I just made this one, but basically this one can fit in just like this. And you can write a message here, or you can leave it as it is. If you want, it might be more secure to actually glue this down so that the tie doesn't fall off. And if you have any letter size color construction paper, fold this in half. Okay, you can put it on top. Okay, and then you can write a message about Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. And then you can put this one over here. Okay, so there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video today, and yeah, I wish you have a fantastic weekend with your family. All right, and don't forget to press subscribe and like button. Okay, see you next time.